Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Most of us like chicken fried rice. This is easy to make and so delicious. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of chicken fried rice. My amma makes delicious chicken fried rice and she's only sharing this recipe for our channel. Without further ado, let's get started. We have taken 200 grams of boneless chicken and diced it into a small size. Add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour and salt as needed. My amma will be frying the chicken pieces for this fried rice. Add in quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. In goes quarter teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Mix everything and add in quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to boil the rice. In a saucepan, boil water. Add in salt as needed. My amma used to add spices while cooking the rice. This is quite Indian version. Add in 2 cardamom, bay leaf, cloves and cinnamon stick. Adding spices is completely optional. This is my amma way of making fried rice. Add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Cover it and boil the water. Add in 300 grams of soaked basmati rice. Basmati rice is soaked for 30 minutes. Long grain basmati rice tastes best for fried rice. Cook the basmati rice to right consistency. Make sure not to overcook the rice. The rice is perfectly cooked and strain it and keep it aside. These are the veggies for fried rice. We have chopped 1 carrot, small piece of cabbage, half capsicum, 1 onion, 3 to 4 beans. We are going to prepare scrambled eggs. For that, we have taken 4 eggs and added salt as needed. Whisk it nicely. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Actually, iron wok like this is best to make fried rice. Gently pour in the beaten eggs. Leave the omelette for 1 minute and mix it. Do not scramble it to small pieces. We need quite big pieces of scrambled eggs. Scrambled egg is ready. Remove it and place it on a plate. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil and fry the chicken pieces. My amma used to fry the chicken pieces rather than boiling. Fried chicken pieces taste best for fried rice. Chicken pieces will be ready in 5 to 6 minutes since these are boneless and chopped it into smaller size. The chicken pieces are fried perfectly. Fried omelette, chicken and the veggies are ready. Heat 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add in 1 chopped onion. Saute it slightly. Add in the chopped carrot, cabbage, beans and 2 green chilies. Saute it nicely and the flame should be very high. Basically for fried rice, we have to cook these veggies at very high flame. Add in salt as needed. We'll be adding soy sauce as well, so bear in mind while adding salt. Add in the chopped capsicum. Make sure not to overcook the vegetables, so the veggies should be a little crunchy. Add in quarter teaspoon of sugar. Move the veggies along the sides of the wok and add in 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. Add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it so that everything combines well. Add in the scrambled egg and mix well. In goes the fried chicken pieces. Finally, add in the cooked basmati rice. Toss it nicely so that everything combines well. Finally, you can garnish it with spring onion. We added coriander leaves since we didn't have spring onion. Delicious all-time favorite chicken fried rice is ready to be served now. I need to thank my amma for sharing this recipe in our channel. Do try this chicken fried rice and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. We had chicken fried rice with ketchup and muzaffar sweet. I have already shared the recipe of muzaffar sweet in my channel. I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.